This story begins with a 911 call from a teenager reporting a heated argument with his father. When deputies arrived, they found a tense situation, a father unwilling to fully cooperate, and a son claiming repeated incidents of violence.
What's going on? Can I help you?
We got a call about,
Who called?
I believe it was your son?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you come out and talk to me, and can you call him out too?
What's going on?
Well, that's what I'm trying to figure out, what's
Okay.
going on. He called
What's
us,
going on?
Oh, that's what I'm figuring out,
Okay.
what's going on. Okay. I guess there was some kind of argument between you and him. Okay. So, yeah, teenager, I get it.
I'll call my son.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right. Have a good day, buddy.
No, I need to talk to him
Is
right
there an
now.
arrest warrant or something?
Well, I need to figure out if there is an arrest or not, so...
For what?
There's no arrest
I got a
warrant.
teenager.
No,
You
you're
have a
fine.
teenager?
I'm wondering what happened.
He's a teenager. I'm asleep.
No, I get it. I'm just wondering what's going on.
Thank you, sir. I'll call my son
Where is he?
right now.
He's not here? Sorry?
Yes. I gotta get to work, sir. What team? What's going on?
Well, I heard there was... Well, he called us. He said there was some argument between you and him, so that's what I'm wondering about what happened. What do you mean?
You got an easy job, bud.
Well, that's what... I need to talk to both parties to
I'll call
see
my
what's
son
going
and make
on.
sure he's okay right now. You don't have his number?
No, I don't... Well, let me see, actually, maybe. Is he not home?
No, he's not home right now.
Okay. Let me see if I can find his number.
Thank you. His father. I don't mean you get a hard time, sir.
I'm not trying to get you a hard time
I
either.
don't want you trample on my rights, please.
Well,
Please
I'm-
step off the curtilage of my home.
Well, listen to me.
My home,
I'm
sir.
investigating something.
Thank you. Please step off the curtilage of my... Please, sir.
I got his number. Do you want me to call him?
Please step off the...
Hello? Hey, this is Deputy Sonny with King County Sheriff's Office. Hey, you're the one who called?
Oh, boy.
Yeah, I called earlier.
Are you here?
Sam.
Yeah, I'm in the back right now.
Can you come out? Your father is not very compliant with us, so...
Okay, I'm in socks right now and the back door is locked, so...
All right, thank you, sir.
I'm talking to him right now.
Sure.
So
He's a
when he
minor,
comes
sir.
out?
He is a minor, sir. Thank you.
Is there a mother or anybody else
No.
in the house? Or...
I'm his father. Thank you so much.
Okay. I'm not... You have the whole door, man. Hey, what's up? All right.
Dude, stay away, please.
Okay.
You have a card, sir?
Well, I'm gonna have to talk to you, just so you know. This is an ongoing investigation.
Good.
You're
Card
gonna...
right here.
No, I'm gonna have to talk to you in person.
Talk to me right now.
Well, give me a second. Let me talk to your son
Please,
first.
sir, can you please leave your card right
Thanks.
here, sir. Give a card, sir.
Well, I need... Okay.
Jesus Christ.
Are you injured or anything?
A little bit, not that bad, it's minor.
Do you want me... What's...
Trying to hit me with the chair, dude. Please
Get your shoes on.
All right, don't close the door, man. I call your lawyer, but don't close the door on me.
Hey, how are ya? What's going on, man? Why are we here?
All right.
What you got, my man?
You have a card, sir.
I do. It's in my car. I'll get it later. What's that? I'll get it later. I'm not gonna get it
Thank
now.
you, sir. Have a good day.
No. What's going on? Why are we here?
Have a good day, sir. Because I got a teenager, sir. That's fine.
Well, can you talk to me about it? I have kids. Maybe I understand. So your statement is you have kids, and that's why we're here.
Sir, can you please step off the curtilage of my home? I did ask you for some identification, sir.
Keller 102. Last name Keller. Badge number 102.
Okay, let me get some paper right down. Thank you, sir. Officer Keller 151. Thank you.
Nope. 102.
All right. Thank you.
Why are we here?
That's a good question, Doc. But I said that's my son. I don't want to answer any more questions, sir.
So-
He's a teenager, sir.
So we're here investigating a domestic battery, possibly. So I'd like to get your side of the story.
Sir, I have no comments for right now.
You have no comments.
No, domestic battery?
Mm-hmm.
Father and a son, sir.
It qualifies. So you don't want to talk to me. I understand. Are you saying you don't want to speak to me? I need to figure out what happened here. That's why we're here.
What caused the argument? Can I take pictures of it?
Yeah, this is from yesterday.
Okay.
Because we got
He
into a
did that
fight.
yesterday?
We were fighting here, and this is from 2 days ago. We were fighting in the middle of the street.
You were fighting in the middle of the street?
It was bad. I've explained this to so many people, and no one has helped me. I'm just kind of tired of explaining the same thing. So I'm so fed up. Can I just show you photos I've been taking of events that's been leading up? We got into a fight a long time ago. Last time we got this bad where I got injured like this, we got into a fight where I was trying to take a shower in the morning. There's no hot water. And he comes, I'm still naked, mind you. He comes breaking down the door while I'm still naked, and he tries to hit me. I gave him 2 black eyes that day. I'm sure if he shows you a photo of that, you understand. This isn't a new thing. A lot of this is just over. I found out he's been taking my money, which has annoyed me, and he's denied it, and he's tried charging me for
Oh,
it.
no, go ahead.
To the office, and you're going to sit for 72 hours while we figure out what's going on. Then why don't you talk to me? Because that's our only other alternative. I'm not going to sit here and play this back and forth game.
I know, sir, but This is my son.
I get it. That's why I want to talk to you. And if you refuse to talk to me, you can go sit in our jail for 3 days. So then let's talk.
Like, I don't want to leave him because I do believe he has potential, but he can get like this.
Thank you.
What happened? Why are we here?
What happened today?
Today, I caught him drinking, and I was like, dude, you can't keep drinking like this. Can you please get up? 6 o'clock, can you please get up? He goes, in the morning, 6 p.m., he's still sleeping. I caught him drinking. I'm like, dude, can you please stop drinking? It's 6 o'clock, please get up. God, shut the fuck up. I don't know how it escalated. He tried to hit me. I defended myself, and that turned him into pushing me into the chair and trying to hit me in the head. Then he moved from the chair and tried to hit me with the white chair that you can see back there just behind him. It's on the floor right now in the kitchen.
And you saw hitting you with the chair, right?
No, I defended myself from the chair. Then he
Okay.
tried to go back. It was really fast.
How old is he? He can take care of himself. So again, if you don't want to cooperate, you can go sit in jail for 72 hours. If you're not going to give me any part of your story, that's a possibility. This is not the time or place for that. You only need an attorney if you're being arrested.
And you're arresting me, sir.
I am not arresting you, not at this point, no. However, if you don't want to cooperate, you will be held on a 72-hour investigative hold. If you don't want to cooperate, you will be held on a 72-hour investigative detention. That is not an arrest.
Dude, no. You're not. Don't try to
Don't
manipulate.
talk to him.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry.
Ignore him while we figure out what's going on.
So he's got injuries.
I do believe he can be a cooperative person that doesn't get like this, but I don't know what happened. I seriously don't.
He said around 6, he told his dad, hey, stop drinking. He
Because he's
lashed
been
out on
sleeping
him.
all
Yeah.
day today. He hasn't done anything.
So he lashed out on him and started beating him. He said throw you on the ground and hit you on the head?
He didn't throw me on the ground. He threw me
On the chair.
and he tried to hit me. I don't know if there's a bruise on my head. I doubt it. It didn't feel that hard, but he still hit me around this area.
And then all the stuff on your left arm is from him?
Today, yesterday, and 2 days ago.
So yesterday they
We've
said
been
they had a fight
daily
right
fights.
So you've had fights 3 days in a row that have gotten physical with your dad?
Yeah.
Oh, wonderful.
It's been like this for months, but I don't want to be taking DCFS. I don't want that to be involved because that happened to my brother and I saw
Right.
how bad that can get. Like I said, I do believe it can get better. He's just in this weird phase right now and I just need to be away from him. I can't be near that.
I get that.
This has been a story with his family for his entire life. He gets like this during certain
Is your
points
mom
of
in the
his life.
picture at all?
But she lives far away.
So they're not together.
No. She wants to take me, but I go to school here.
She hasn't given up parental rights or anything like that?
He did go to prison a few years ago, so my custody did get handed over to her. But I went back with him, so I'm confused on what that does mean for
Okay.
me.
Anything recent, though?
Oh,
Any recent custody agreements? Like,
No.
was it through Kane or a different county?
I'm not sure. It might have been through Kane, but I'm not 100% on the situation. I was only 12 when all that happened.
Right, understandable.
Did you call the police yesterday?
The
The day before that, no?
Yeah.
Nobody else
I was
called the
able to
police?
fend for myself yesterday, that's why I didn't call him.
Yeah.
Today is just the first that he actually got the upper hand on me in the fight. The house has been trashed, looks like a homeless person, and I've been trying so hard to fix it. This is what it used to look like before I started cleaning it. I've been pissed because he's not been helping me clean it, and he just continues to make it worse. I'm like, come on, dude, can you please help me? He's like, stop, just don't clean it. And he tries to fight me when I'm trying to help him. I don't understand it.
Give us 1 minute, okay?
Yeah.
So, from today, all of this is from yesterday, 2 days ago.
And nothing on my
And
hand.
what about this?
That I'm not sure of. That I noticed earlier.
As officers tried to piece together the truth, both father and son shared conflicting stories. The teenager showed injuries he said came from repeated fights, while the father argued he was only defending himself. The home appeared in disarray, and frustrations on both sides had clearly been building for months. At that point, deputies explained that in Illinois, domestic battery is taken seriously. The state itself becomes the complainant, regardless of family ties.
How you doing, Brian?
Hey, come
I
here.
need you to come out.
Under arrest?
Yes. You need to come out.
Okay.
Will you? Yeah, I'll give you a second. Let me put you in handcuffs, and then we'll write it down for you. How about that?
Just walk out.
Yes, you can, but we have to put you in handcuffs first.
Brian.
We have.
Brian.
All right, be compliant with us. You know how this goes. You've been that route before, right?
Brian.
So, yeah, you need to come out.
Am I going to jail?
Yes, you are going to jail.
Brian.
You need to come out, and we'll talk about it. So if you just come out.
Brian. Come outside, then make your phone call. Brian.
Yes, sir.
I'm going to let you know this now. If this doesn't go smooth, I'm also charging you with obstruction. So make this as easy as possible.
Yes, sir. I'm not gonna.
Drop the cigarette. Put it out.
Hey, man, can you help me out here, please? Man, this is my son, man. Come
You gotta
on.
put out the cigarette. Come on, put the cigarette out, brother.
Tell you what, if you're going to cooperate and you stick to your word, I'll let you finish the cigarette.
All right, yes, sir. Yes,
But if
sir.
you're going to be a jackass,
Yeah, I know. Buddy, I'm not trying to be a jackass.
I'm just letting you know.
Yes, sir.
The way you were with me at the door pretty well signaled that you were going to be a jackass.
You don't deserve that.
So
disrespect.
if you're going to cooperate,
Yes, sir. Yes,
I'll
sir.
let you finish the cigarette.
Thank you, sir.
But we're going to do it out here. There is no bond.
There's no more fun in Illinois.
Remember
I
when
gotta stay
Illinois
in
passed the
jail?
You
Safety
gotta see a
Act?
judge tomorrow.
More than likely, the judge will let you out
I'll
tomorrow,
let you out.
but you have to see a judge.
You gotta
Can
see a
I
judge,
get
bro.
some
That's how it
socks,
is.
man? And I'm not trying to run, but can I?
They have socks for you at the jail.
They have everything.
Could we save a little time, please?
They're-
He's not in any imminent danger, man.
This is what it is. Just finish your cigarette, and then we're going to do what we have to do.
Yo,
Brian,
can you please stand there?
just finish your cigarette, and we're going to do what
I'm a
we have
single
to do.
dad, man. Come on.
I get it. That's called tampering with a witness.
It's
So
You know
it's
your
best
rights,
just to
you
keep
know
your mouth
everything,
shut.
brother. I don't have to tell you nothing.
Stop talking to him, or we're going to get rid of the cigarette. And we're
It's
gonna
Yes,
get
just
handcuffs now.
more charges are adding to your
Whoa, whoa,
so
whoa,
stop,
what other
stop talking. We're not charging you, but if you stop talking, brother.
Just finish
Trust
your
me.
cigarette, and then let's get this over with.
He
So
doesn't- we're charged.
here's the thing with these charges.
Yes, sir.
He may be the victim, but it's domestic battery, so the state becomes the complainant. The way Illinois law is codified
Yes, sir.
is
Yes, sir.
victims in a domestic battery situation, the state becomes the victim. The state places a high severity on
yes.
domestic battery.
This is my son, a single dad.
I get it.
He's going through some teenage stuff, man.
He's also got...
injuries from what, Sam?
Hey.
Would you? Oh, I'm sorry.
Stop it. Finish the cigarette.
Who's pressing the charges? You?
I am.
Come on, brother.
There's no come on.
Would you please reconsider, man?
I literally don't have a choice. If I don't arrest you, I go to jail. That's how serious this
Can we
is.
sit down and talk, man, over a cup of coffee, please? Without whoever's with the witness, man. Can we please sit down and talk?
We can
about
go
it?
over to my car and talk.
Can we have my son? I can talk to you.
You can talk to
you
me over here.
through him.
Anything on you that's gonna poke me, stick me, stab me? You got any bullets?
No.
Alcohol? Knives? Porn? Any drugs? Cocaine? Meth? Heroin?
Put your left foot in first. Put your left foot in.
You got a bad back. Thank you.
I can fit fingers in between there. So I have to ask you some really stupid questions that will sound like I'm talking to a first grader, but Sarge wants me to do it.
Okay.
You have a cell phone?
Yes.
Is it charged?
Yes.
You know how to call 911?
Yes.
Obviously. You have food in the house?
Yes.
Running water?
Yeah.
Bathroom?
Yeah.
Can you shower?
Yeah.
You have clothes?
Yeah.
Okay. Something happens in the house, you know how to get out?
Mm-hmm.
You feel safe staying home?
Distance.
From him?
For the time being. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. I think that's good. Did we get your phone number?
I gave it to the guy in the call.
Well, we have-
So it'll be attached on the call.
In the end, the father was arrested and charged with domestic battery. He was taken into custody to await a judge's decision, while his son remained at home under the care of law enforcement. The case serves as a reminder when family conflicts escalate into violence. The law will step in because safety always comes first.